The Fabricators and Manufacturers Association unites thousands of metal fabrication and manufacturing professionals under a common purpose: to shape the future of our industry and in turn shape the world. That starts with attracting talent. Our charitable foundation SparkForce has awarded millions of dollars in scholarships to those pursuing careers in manufacturing. Each year, more than 300 SparkForce summer camps introduce kids to welding, robotics, even submarine building. Showing young people what's possible in manufacturing, that's the spark needed to inspire a future workforce. Our publications, including The Fabricator, reach the metal forming and fabricating industry better than anyone else can. It's one of the ways we further develop a skilled workforce, alongside our valuable training programs and membership benefits. And finally, at FMA, we engage with you across trade shows and industry-exclusive events. FabTech is North America's largest metal forming, fabricating, welding, and finishing event. And each year, our Industry Leadership Conference brings together hundreds of manufacturing professionals from around the world to forge new relationships. Since 1970, FMA has worked to move metal fabrication forward. Today, our workforce lifecycle is geared up to support you at every stage of your career. We're FMA. We shape the world.